Just like, wait a minute. Pause. I can grow my natural hair. When it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch my soul. When it's the rhythm I know. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so in this video, I just wanted to introduce a brief summary of my hair journey. Okay, so I was a baby and you know, I always had like really thick hair. I always had a big puff. It was always a thing, you know, to do my hair. So usually when I was younger, my dad would do my hair. And then, you know, like the age of 8, 9, or 10, I got locks, and I'll insert a picture here. You know, I had locks for about 3 years, but as I got to like middle school, I decided to take my locks out. And when I took my locks out, I did a lot. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a terrible throwback. But when I took my locks out, I dyed my hair and I straightened it a lot, like a blondish brown, and that was on the tips. And I did that first, and I'll insert a picture here. And then I dyed my hair red. Insert a picture here. And mind you, every time I would dye my hair would either be dry or I would dye my hair to get it straightened. When I was in middle school, I really didn't take care of my hair. So anyway, dyed my hair was terrible. It was about like right here, and I just felt so frustrated with my hair. And so I was on YouTube, and somehow I saw this video of this girl with like super long hair. I thought like naturally my hair was just gonna be right here because that's where it's been. I never thought like, whoa, my hair can grow past there. Like I thought you had to be like special to have your hair grow to a certain level. I was on YouTube and I saw this girl with waist-length hair, and I was just like, oh my gosh, wow, like I really wish I could have hair like this. And then like on the side of the video it says like how to grow your natural hair, and I'm just like, wait a minute, pause, I can grow my natural hair. So I clicked on that video and bam, that's when my like healthy hair care journey started. When I was like, basically what I would do would be like just deep condition. I would deep condition once a week. I would make these hair masks. I was watching Naptural85, Mahogany Curls. Like Naptural85, I felt like she's the one that gave me hope because Mahogany Curls, her curls were kind of like not like mine, and so it was harder to follow her videos. But Naptural85 and CurlyProverbs, they are the ones who helped me figure out what was really good for my hair. So I was watching Naptural, and she kind of got me on like the protective hairstyles and like the regimen of deep conditioning and stuff like that. And then CurlyProverbs kind of introduced me to the whole use of henna. And so throughout high school I was using henna. I was deep conditioning once a week. I would just keep my hair in like a ponytail with twists. And the weekends at a track meet, I might take it out and wear my hair all curly for the track meet. And I was doing wash and go, so if I didn't have my hair in twists, I would have my hair in a puff all week. And my hair was just honestly flourishing. Everyone was like, oh my gosh, Fanisha, your hair is so nice, what do? You have to tell me what you do. Your skin's so nice, blah, blah, blah. And I was just like, you know, I just deep condition. You just gotta deep condition your finger detangle, you know, do all these things. And so my hair really started to grow and grow. And mind you, during this time, you know, I would randomly cut my hair, and I thought to myself, you know what, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel. So I kind of recorded a lot of this stuff. In my senior year, my hair started to change. I noticed a difference in my hair. It was more dry. It just wasn't like the wash and goes that I would do, like it wasn't happening, like my curls weren't curling the same way. I also noticed that I had this problem. Basically when you're stressed or something, you kind of like pull out your hair, and when I found that out, it was like really shocking. But I kind of had that problem, and I think maybe that might have affected my hair growth. And it was just so many things were changing. I really started to pull out my hair in high school into college. My hair was kind of dry, not curling the way that I wanted to, but you know, it was still pretty healthy. So going through my freshman year of college, I did this braided hairstyle. I put those braids in, I realized that my hair kind of grew some more. So despite all that, it was college, it was hectic. I was a freshman in college. I was running like 3 sports. It was all track, but it was cross country, indoor and outdoor track. And I was a science major, and I overloaded myself with 18 credits. Some people can do that, but that was not for me. I decided, you know what? I'm going to get locks. Started locks. Had locks during that summer. During that summer, a lot went on. It was a lot of transitioning, and I ended up taking the locks out, wearing my hair like, you know, how I used to wear, but still my hair wasn't curling. It was just, you know, ugh. I don't know what was going on with my hair. Summer goes by, I'm wearing twists during the summer, the usual stuff, twist, puff, even though like my hair's not curling how I want it to curl. And then we get to my sophomore year. This is when I started using like braided styles with like the little rubber band designs and, you know, 2 ponytail buns, even though I did that in high school. But I was doing like playing around with that more and kind of like trying to slick my edges down. So, you know, I was doing that, and then somewhere like through the stress of sophomore year, so I'm like, you know what, since you don't want to curl, I'm gonna figure out how straight I can get my hair. So let's just say like, heat damage, okay? And people are telling me, Maisha, don't straighten your hair. You know, you're gonna give yourself heat damage. No, I'm not. I knew I was, but I was just, I was at a point where I didn't even care anymore. I wanted to see my hair do something that I never did before, okay? I was just fed up having this thick, huge bush, you know? I can't get it to curl, that's out of my control, but I sure can get this thing straight. Like the first time I straightened my hair, I don't know why, but it was like stiff. It didn't even get straight. I like each time I cut my hair, I ended up like cutting my ends, because for some reason, I guess maybe my ends were dead or something. So the first time I cut my hair, you couldn't really, it was still like a blowout. Second time I straightened my hair, it was kind of getting there, but towards the end it got flowy and straight, and it was still not silky like smooth like you see like a wig or something would be like. But at that point I felt like my hair would never be that straight, and if I did get it that straight, I would be losing a lot of hair. I realized my hair was damaged, and like I think this picture, I'll insert the picture. It's a picture of me with like this puff and like I'm posing and something like that, and the picture looks great. But if you just look at my freaking puff at the time, I did a twist out, it looks so freaking thin and blah. Like it was, that's not how my hair is. So seeing my hair like that, I knew my hair was heat damaged, and at this point I was fed up. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cut all my hair off. And you know, for 3 weeks I was like, throughout this entire time it was kind of in the back of my head like, oh, you're giving yourself heat damage, you might have to cut your hair. It was just lingering like,
Maisha, let's be done with it, let's cut this hair off.
Like, I don't know, maybe I should go to a salon, have them do it.
No, Maisha, just cut your hair now.
How about we find maybe a short style we can wear?
Just cut it all off, be bald.
Going through that battle for a few months, and then